Hi, good day everyone. This is Teacher Lucy, Math and Science teacher at Pichaburi Rajabat University Demonstration School. New day, new learning. Today we will be learning about Go, Grow, Glow Foods. So let's begin. There are three primary food groups. The first one is Go Foods. What is Go Foods? Why Go Foods are important? Go Foods are essential for providing the body with the energy it needs to function, to work, and be active. Do you know some of these Go Foods? Maybe some of these Go Foods are your favorite in your daily meal. I will show you some of the examples of Go Foods. Let's go to the second primary food group, which is the Grow Foods. Grow foods are protein-rich foods that are essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting growth, and maintaining overall health, particularly important for children, pregnant women, and athletes. Why Grow Foods are important to our body. The third in the primary food group is the Glow Foods. What is Glow Foods? Glow Foods refers to the fruits and vegetables group, rich in vitamins and minerals that help the body work well and fight off illnesses or sickness. Why Glow Foods are important? These foods are crucial for maintaining a healthy body, supporting its functions, and helping it fight off illnesses and any sickness. Understanding the concept of Go Grow Food is a simple yet effective to ensure you're getting a balanced diet. By incorporating a variety of these foods into your meals, you can provide your body with the nutrients needed to function properly and effective. So I hope that you learned something today about Go Grow Glow Foods. Again, this is Teacher Lucy. Bye-bye. Till the next time.